I know you hate it when you see people post my face. And they say who's new bad, but we ain't seen no range.
Nigga don't play, you'll be the next one on the list. Watching out from around from helicopters in the sky. I see a nigga troll on Instagram, be glad the nigga died. I'm on Kirk saying X, she can see it in my eyes.
I swear thunder, you get so close, you think this shit sweet, I ain't gon' hear it stuttering. I'm bleeding, never drunk a blunt. I don't got 7 to 7, I'm leaving my beat, I'm too good, I have a more, okay. Over from my name in the mouth, I stutter, my new hoe double joint, okay.
Baby, she play my persona. I'm gonna be alone. When that big get out of him, he gonna be a goner. I just came around and down until my pants be on bail. We don't never shoot him, have his kids, I can go to hell. I got roll running out charging for the kids. So I'm real, walk deep in the streets, roll me the chill.
Can you tell that woman in the dog for this shit? Is it really love or is it money, baby? Put that in the middle, not so far from the mix. No, I can't never wrap my arms around the sun, baby.
I'm pour out a legend on me, some boy I steady on. He ran with steady when his defense on God. BMW keys, I ain't never 21. I'm living for the day, I'm probably dying, not good. BMW keys, I ain't never 21. I'm living for the day, I'm probably dying by the gun. Nigga don't play, you'll be the next one on the list. No, you don't pray. He hop out banging when you switch way in the okay. He hop out banging on his cleats like Sade. He get the same when he hit 16 boys in the garage. That's just the price for y'all. I get my shit way cheaper, get my plug and get my car.
I have a little mic and I just talk to him. I just hear him, I bitch and pain, I had to walk through it. I'm sorry, doors in the league. I said, I'm my league purple floor.
Bye, have a great time.
When I ice my mouth and I ice my wrist, it's a brand new kid, niggas know I'm rich. Remember when I couldn't afford a bail, now I'm so up, I'm ignoring bills. Some murderers, that's what I grew up with. I'ma stay stark no matter who I'm with. I'm face shot playing, I bet you feel it. I feel good cause I'm richer than all of your niggas on guard. In a penthouse in New York, I still got